5 items towards left and 5 items towards right will come to the total number of items of 10. We will be considering only the center, that is the middle of the data items, order of magnitude, which divides the distribution into two parts. Which are those? In order to calculate the median of these items, we will consider the weights associated. Hello and warm welcome to one and all. It is Dr. Ravikumar YB, Department of Computer Science, Vidhyaashram, First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. In today's class, you will be taught about the more number of examples on the numerical and statistical analysis, that is the statistical methods, that is which includes the standard deviation, median, and all those related concepts are explained in more detail. For example, let me take up the values like this, that is 4, 13, 10, 13, 13, 4, 2, 13, 13, 13. Here, the value 13 is repeating many times. If that is the case, let me count the number of times it is repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of course, it is repeating for 6 times. Now, let me sort it in the increasing order. If that is the case, which is the first value? 2 is the first value, 2. Next, 4 is the next value, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4 is over. Then we have 10 we have, that is 10. 10 is also over. 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. 13, 13, 13. So totally we have these number of terms in this list of items. What is the median? How can we find out the median? So totally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 items are there in this list. If that is the case, 4 items towards left and 4 items towards right. So we will be left with 13. So 13 plus 13 is, obviously that leads to 26. 26 divided by 2 is equal to 13. So we will get the median element which is equal to 13. So the same thing, we have sorted it in the increasing order, and then the even number of elements are there. We will take the middle of those 2 elements and then we will divide it by 2 to get the value which is equal to 13. So similarly, let me consider one more data set which includes these set of data items. The first item in this, let me rearrange them in the increasing order, that is 2, then 7. Before this we have 5 here. So let me consider 2, 5, 5, 7, 7, 10, 10, 10, 10, 4 times 10. So totally let me count the number of items in this list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items are there. We have odd number of items here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we are left with 2 more elements. 16 is there. We have 16, 10, 5 times we have 10. 1 more 10, that is we have 16. So these are the total number of elements we have. Since we have 11 items, 5 items towards left and 5 items towards right will come to the total number of items of 10. In the middle, we will be left with 1 item. If that is the case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let me take this towards left side and towards right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will be left with these items. In the middle, we will be having this element. This is the median of the data items present in the list. So we have this item here. So if you look at it, you will see that the value 10 is at the middle position. That is, the 11 items are there. Out of 11, 5 towards left and 5 towards right. So totally 10 items at the middle. That is, the 6th item is the median of this list. That is in the 6th place. So let me consider, in the park, tallest 7 trees have heights in this manner. That is, first tree 41 feet, second tree 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. If I take up the median of those, let me sort it out in the increasing order. That is, 42, before that 41 we have, 41, 42, 42, 2 times it is there, it is repeated 2 times, then 47, oh 44 is there, so we have 44, then we have 47, 47, 2 times, 47, 47, then finally we have 60. So totally we have these many number of items, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 items towards left, 1, 2, 3. 3 items towards right, 1, 2, 3. So which is the center of this list of items? 44. So this is called as the median. Median is equal to 44. That means the average. Median of those trees present in the park is considered to be the value which is equal to 44. That is equal to 44. That is in the 4th place. Similarly, if I take up the other examples like this and if I sort it in the increasing order, that is find the median of these marks. Arranging the given data in descending order will give the items like this. The middle term is 4, which is the 5th term. Even if I arrange it in the increasing order or in the decreasing order, it is not a matter here, because we will be considering only the center, that is the middle of the data items. If that is the case, even if I rearrange them in the increasing order, I'll get the items like this: 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally how many items are there here? 8 is also there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally we have 9 items here. 4 towards left and 4 towards right. We will get the median element which is equal to 4. If I rearrange them in the descending order, I will get 4 items towards left and 4 items towards right, and I'll get the same item that is equal to median. Median is equal to 4. So it doesn't make any sense if I arrange them in the increasing order or in the decreasing order. So let me consider the 5th question. The weights in kg of 10 students of a class are given below. Of the 10 students in a class. So if I rearrange them in the increasing order, I'll get the weights like this, that is in the decreasing order or in the increasing order. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 items here. Total 10 items are there. 10 items are there. We have even numbered of items, even numbered items. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will be left with 2 items. That is obviously it leads to 24. That is median is equal to 24, because if I add up these 2 terms, that leads to the value which is equal to 48. Again divided by 2 will get the same term, because we are finding the 2 items with the same values. Obviously we'll get the value which is equal to 24. That is 24 and 24, 24, 24 and 24. The 5th and 6th items are considered here. Obviously that is divided by 2, added and divided by 2, that gives you the value which is equal to 24. Next, similarly, if I consider one more question, that is 6th question, to find the median of these. First let me arrange them in either increasing order or in the decreasing order. If I arrange them in the ascending order, I'll get the values like this. So totally let me count the total number of items present in it. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have even numbered items are there. So let me consider 5 items towards left and 5 items towards right. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 15 plus 17 is equal to 32. 32 by 2, which is equal to 16. So 16 is the value which we have here. So the median is equal to 16. The definition, it can be defined as the median is that the value of the variable which divides the group into 2 equal parts. One part comprising all values greater than the other, all values less than median. That means if you consider these set of elements, 15 is the set of elements. If you arrange them in the increasing order, every other element will be less than the center items, and every other elements which is after the center elements will be greater than the center element. So we have the arrangement like this because we have already arranged them in the increasing order as well as in the decreasing order. In both of the cases, if I arrange them in the increasing order, I'll get the elements towards the left of the center element as the less than and towards the right side as the greater than. If I arrange them in the decreasing order, then obviously towards the left of the center item, we will get the values in the more number of values, that is the values which are greater than the center element, and towards the right we will find the items which are less than the center element. That is the thing it is to be understood here. Median of a series of the values of the item actual or estimated when a series is arranged in order of magnitude which divides the distribution into two parts. That is the magnitude, order of magnitude which divides the distribution into two parts. Which are those? That is this. Frequency, cumulative frequencies, that is n plus 1 by 2. It is n plus 1 by 2. Then the terms like whether arranged in ascending order or in the descending order. And the term is divided by 2. Calculation of median in discrete series, that is for individual series. Now we shall see the discrete series. After arranging the items taking cumulative frequencies by using this formula n plus 1 by 2 and then calculate it with an example. Let me take you to an example. Here, the steps involved in it is first arrange the data items either in ascending order or in the descending order. Then find the cumulative frequencies, that is the mean of that. Then find the middle item by using the formula, that is median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2 item. Suppose if there are 10 items, n plus 1 is what? 11. 11 by 2 is what? 5.5. You will get 5.5. If I take the floor of that, you will get 5. Obviously, you will get 5. And 5.5, if you take the seal of that, you will get 6th term. So, 5th and 6th terms are considered here for even numbered of data items. For odd number of data items, suppose if you have 9, then 9 plus 1, n plus 1 is what? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2, that is equal to 5th term. So, if you have 9 items, obviously you will select 4 towards left and 4 towards right, and the 5th item is considered as the median of that. That is the formula we are going to find out. For this gives you this formula will help you to find out the median of the n elements present in a list. Then first let us consider the examples like this. This is the frequency, this is the values. This indicates that the value 10 is repeated 4 times, 20 is repeated for 7 times, 30 for 21 times, 40 for 34 times, 50 for 25 times, 60 for 12 and 70 for 3 times. In order to calculate the median of these items, we will consider the weights associated with this item X. If that is the case, let me consider the frequencies first, that is 4, 7, 21, 34, 25, 12, 5. These are the items I have arranged in the increasing order, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now we have the cumulative frequencies. How can I find out the cumulative frequencies? That is equal to 4. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 11 plus 21 is equal to 32. 32 plus 34 is equal to 66. 66 plus 25 is equal to 91. 91 plus 12 is equal to 103. We have 103 plus 3 is equal to 106. We are left with this. This is called as a cumulative frequency. That means the present item depends on the previous item. Then the terms like this: 1 minus 4, 5 minus 11, right? 12 minus 32. How did I get this values? 4, 11, 32 from the cumulative distribution frequency distribution values. Then how did I get this? 1, 5, 12, 33, and of course we have the first term here, that is 1. Second term is what? 4 plus 1, 5, 11 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12, 32 plus 1, 33, 66 plus 1, 67, 91 plus 1, 92, 3 plus 92, 103, 92, that is 66, 91 plus 1, 92, 3 plus 103. We have written it in like this, so it has to be 103 plus 3, like this. So 103 plus 1, that is 104. If I do that operations like this, I will get the values which is equal to, that is 104 minus 106. 91 minus 103. Then 66 minus 91, 32 minus 66, 11 minus 32, 4 minus 11. These are the terms I am getting here. So totally, if I see the operations like this, what is the value of n? Last term, that is equal to n is equal to 106. If that is the case, n plus 1 by 2 term is equal to size of, please see to it here carefully, we have n here, n is equal to 106 plus 1 by 2. What is the meaning of 106 plus 1 by 2? It is this. 106 means 107. 107 by 2, which is equal to 2 5s are 10. Then we are left with 7. So 2 3s are 6. 0.1 is left with. So 2 5s are 10. That is 53.5. We have 53.5th term, which is equal to 40. How can I say that that is 53rd term? If you observe it carefully here, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 21, that is equal to 28, 28 plus 34, which is equal to 28 plus 34, which is equal to 12, to 1 carries 6, 62nd term. Till 28th to 62nd term, we are left with 40. But what is the value I have got here? 53.5. So 53.5 comes between the range of 30 to 40. So after 28, all these items are repeating for 34 times. Which is that item? 40. So we will consider 40 as the median of those items in case of frequency distribution. So please see to it here, the term 40 is obtained as a median for the frequency distribution. Similarly, let me consider another set of data items, that is 4 is repeated for 7 times, 8 for 18, 12 for 25, 16 for 28, 20 for 15, 24 for 10 and 28 for 7. Please observe this carefully. All these values of x are arranged already in the increasing order. If it is not arranged, you have to arrange that in an increasing order or in the decreasing order. If that is the case, 4 is, let me consider the values, frequencies. Frequencies are 7, 18, 25, 18, 15, 10, 7. These are the frequencies. What is the value associated with that? That is, if you look at the table, one is the frequency and the other one is what? That is the next term in the next column. These are the values of x, that is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 24, 28. So these are the items we have. This corresponds to x, this corresponds to the frequency. Then we have the cumulative frequencies. How can I find out the cumulative frequency? CF, that is equal to 7. 7 which is equal to frequency, which is equal to 7. 7 plus 8 is what? 7 plus 8, that is equal to 15. We have to add up with frequencies, with CF. In case of this, we have 7, we have 7 plus 8 is what? 18 is what? 18, 20, 25. We are left with 25. 25 plus 25, that is 50. 50 plus 18, that is 68. 68 plus 15, that is 78, 83. 83 plus 10, we have 93. 93 plus 7, we have 100. So this is the cumulative frequency, where the present state is depending on the previous state. This previous state, it is not dependent on any other state because this is the first state. Now, which is the next column? We have to find out the terms. How can we find out the terms? 7 plus 1, which is equal to 8. 25 plus 1, which is equal to 26. 50 plus 1 is equal to 51, n plus 1. 68 plus 1 is equal to 69. 83 plus 1, 84. 93 plus 1, 94. 100 plus 1, 104. Which is the next column, that is 7 minus 8 terms, which can be derived as 7 minus 8. 25 minus 26. Will get obviously the term which is equal to 1. Subtract, if you subtract that, you will get 1. So please look into it. So we have 1 minus 4, that is equal to 5, which we have obtained. Then previous term, that is 5 is used here. 5 minus 11, then 11 we have got, that is equal to 12. 11 plus 1, which is equal to 12. So 12 minus 32. So previous term I am considering here. If you look at this, you will see that 26, 8. If you look at this, what is the value I have? This is 8 minus 7 we have. What is the value we have? 8 here. 8 minus 7. Then we have got 26. 8 minus 7. Yes. If you look at this term, we have 4 plus 1, 5. So 1 to 4. Yes, of course. Cumulative frequency is this. That is CF. Then we have the terms like this. Terms. Please look at it. We have 1 minus 4 because we have n plus 1 terms. That is 1 minus 4 we have. Then we have 4 here. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. 5 minus 11. Then 11 plus 1, that is 12. 12 minus 32. We have the terms like the CF. Let me consider the values of CF now. That is, here it is 1 minus 7. It is 1 minus 7. Yes. We have 25 plus 1 is what? 26. 26, 7, we have the terms like this. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 26. Please look at it here. We have 4, we have 5. 11, we have 12. 32, we have 33. 66, 37, 67, 91, 92. 103, 104. 104 to 106. What is this value 106? I am ending with 106 here. What is the value that I have obtained here? I have obtained here as 100. So if that is the case, we have the term which is equal to 1 to 4. That is 1 to 7. 7. 8 to 25. We have the values like this. 8 to 25. Then 26 to 50. 51. It begins here. 51 minus 51 to 68 we have. Then 69 to 83. 84 to 93. 94 to 100. So these are the terms I have here. So now if you look at it, I have the value which is equal to 100 here in case of cumulative frequency. In terms of terms, we have 100 here. So n plus 1 by 2 is equal to what? 101. That is 101 by 2, which is equal to the value 100 means 50. 50.5 is the value I am getting here. So in case of this, I have the value 50.5. Where does the 50.5 stands? Please see to it here. 7 plus 18 is equal to what? That is equal to 25. 25 plus 25, that is equal to 50. 50.5 means we will get the value which is equal to this term, that is 16. 16 is the median of these items. Please see to it here. 7, 18, 25, 18, 15, 10, 7. 7, 1 to 7, then 8 to 25, then 26, then 26, it has to be 26. 26 to 50, then 51 to 68, then 69 to 83, then 84 to 93, 94 to 100. We are left with these terms here. Now, if I do that operation, I'll get n plus 1 by 2, which is equal to the value which is equal to 50.5. If I consider the 50.5 in this frequency, it stands at 16. That is 50 comes here, 50.5, 50 to 68, that is 68. 50 to 68 between the range of this. So it comes this. 16 is the median of these items. 50th plus 51st term, that is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items. Obviously, we'll get the term which is equal to 51st term. We have got the value which is equal to 50th term plus 51st term, which is equal to this term. 12 plus 16 by 2. We have the value which is equal to 14. 100 plus 1 is equal to 50.5. That is, if you look at this, you will see that 50.5th term. So we have 50.5 term. So 50th term plus 51st term is equal to, which is that 50th term? If you look at it, you will see that 50th term is 12. 51st term is what? because we have 50.5 in between those. So 12 plus 16 is equal to 16, 18, 28 you will get. 28 by 2 you will get the 14, the value which is equal to 14. We have to consider even the 0.5 because it is between 50 and 51. So we have to consider both the terms like 50th term, that is 12, and 51st term belongs to 16, the value. So 12 plus 16 is equal to 28, 28 by 2 which is equal to 14. 14 is the median of those elements. So this is how we are going to calculate and find out the value of medians for individual items as well as with cumulative frequency distribution functions. I hope you are following really very well. Thank you. If you have any questions, kindly come to the college. I will be available in the department. I can solve your doubts and questions. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.